Welcome, friends! Your favorite degenerates, Krista and Jason, are at it again! Let's celebrate the day!
What's the situation, Degenerate Nation?
What's up? What's happening, Degenerates?
Look who we got. Show special features. Amanda and Roy, two of our very good friends that we love from the cruising community and humanity as a whole. So thanks for dropping by, guys.
And I just want to say thank y'all for helping us move. We really appreciate that. Without you two, we would not have got moved.
That's the only way we can get any street cred with good folks is if we actually help them move.
Well, we really appreciate that.
It's all
very
good,
much.
man.
Thank you.
You know, that's a friend in need is a friend indeed. So
anytime you need to return the favor, we got you.
We ain't moving. Ever.
You,
Hey, look at his cool shirt, honey.
Well,
hey, you
imagine that.
Oh my gosh, I'm wearing one too.
Everybody's got Degenerate Dojo shirts on.
Wow.
So we had a little fun earlier with Roy and Amanda, and we cut a Degenerate Dojo video, maybe two, for the ship show. So watch the ship show.
Yes.
Wednesdays at 9, generally, unless somebody's on a cruise. Then wait till the next Wednesday.
Yep. So go to the Klaykowski, KLAYKOWSKI, the Klaykowskis, and they have a thing called the Ship Show on YouTube.
We love Jork and Jan. Y'all good folks, man.
or put hashtag forgot, because it probably will show up.
Forgot.
So, one of our favorite channels on YouTube is absolutely the Klaykowskis, the Ship Show with York and John. And John's editing is maybe surpassed by none. Very close second to Cullen, to Griff and Alyssa, definitely the Paradise Crew.
I'm coming there. Y'all ever? Yeah, I'm coming. Just wait.
And we'll have possibly John in-house
in
come
January.
this spring. So that'll be fun. So once again, whenever someone blesses us with a visit, we love to let them pick the drink. And Roy has concocted his own drink. And what is the name of this drink?
We're going to call this the Shows Holiday Cider.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That's a classy name.
So
Is it a classy drink?
I don't know about classy, but it tastes good.
So
Okay.
this is a drink you would find at the port in Jacksonville, about 30 miles away. 10 miles from the port. Definitely a port drink.
Yeah.
But you would have to go to Amanda and Roy's to get it.
Yes.
But he's going to let us in on the recipe of this special drink. So what is the recipe, Roy?
You have to use and hard cider. This is Jack Daniel's Winter Jack. Pretty sure you could use Angry Orchard, whatever. We just like this. So you use 2 ounces of this. You use 1 ounce of your favorite bourbon. Top it with ginger ale. There you go.
And you're done. So super easy.
Yeah.
Definitely.
3 ingredients.
Oh. Well, you want to ice while they talk about the drink?
Oh, sure.
We talked about the drink.
You keep talking.
It's a secret that's not secret anymore.
Okay, you said 1 ounce of this, right?
2 ounces.
2 ounces of this.
2 ounces of
So I'll just start adding 2 ounces.
And I got a question for you guys.
What's that?
Amanda, you just cruised without Roy, right?
I did.
What's it like to cruise without your spouse?
It's weird. It's really weird.
Is it weird?
Don't let her lie to you. She
I
had like the
fun.
best fun ever.
She's like, oh yeah, I'm married when she gets off the ship. I gotta
Yeah.
go home to my husband. She never remembered the whole time.
Yeah.
I had a lot of fun. Me and Deb had fun, and everybody else in the group with La Lita Loca, and I missed Roy, but I'm glad I got to go and be with everybody.
She didn't miss me.
I did.
We'll find out. We're leaving again next weekend. We'll find out if she missed me or not.
Who wants what bourbon?
Let's
start
do
with this
Maker's
one.
Mark.
Okay.
Like I said, you can use any bourbon. We prefer Maker's Mark.
Maker's Mark's a pretty kick-ass
You said an
bourbon
ounce,
for the
right?
price.
Yes. But we got Buffalo. We got St. Augustine. We got, I don't know what else. It's in there.
And if you're part of the Maker's Mark Ambassador Club, they'll send you a Christmas gift every year.
It's
So,
awesome.
I usually get clothes for Kermit. They sent me like a scarf that's supposed to go over the Maker's Mark bottle one year, and then the next year was like a socks or something like that. But it's all based on an earmuff that goes over the top of the bottle, but it all fits my Kermit really well. So Kermit is dressed in Maker's Mark stuff.
I didn't know that,
Yeah.
but I'm signing up for it.
Yeah.
I need
Yes.
some free shit.
Oh, go ahead.
Here, I'll do it.
Party hardy, Marty. Okay, I'll do the math while you guys are finishing up. All right, last week we did the Jamaican coffee that had 1 ounce of 40 proof rum in it, an ounce of Kahlua, and came out to basically 0.6 of an ounce of alcohol, pure alcohol in it, for a 6.7% drink. This week with, what do you want to, what's your name of this drink?
Shows Holiday Cider.
The Shows Holiday Cider has 1 ounce of 40%, 2 ounces of 15%, the cider, and about 5 ounces of mixers. Comes in at 0.7 of an ounce of pure alcohol for about an 8.8% ABV drink. So it's not super duper strong, enjoyable, and only it's real close to last week's drinks at 0.6 of an ounce of alcohol at a 6.7% drink. So pretty close to that. So we shouldn't be too far out of control. Although we may have had a little pregame.
Yeah, we
doing,
have
pregame.
pregame.
Doing Degenerate Dojo may require a few drinks.
Yeah.
Yeah, pregame was okay. Let's dig in, folks. This looks good. Cheers.
Thanks for
You
coming.
overfilled me.
Oh, that is good.
Oh, that's nice.
That's a bourbon-y drink.
I like bourbon.
I
that's
just taste
good.
apple. I get this apple flavor.
Yeah, it tastes appley. And I don't think anything's apple.
This would be awesome with Jack Apple.
Ooh.
We could try that.
You are living in the future, lady.
Yeah,
Oh,
we
yeah.
could try that. Maybe we'll try that
Drink too.
drink
Yeah.
too. So
That's good.
A very nice winter, cold weather, but still on ice drink.
And it's fitting because it is beeping freezing out here.
we
cold.
live in
Yeah.
Florida. It's 55 degrees. Come on now, it's 55
It's-
degrees in Florida.
It's cold.
It's cold.
Who's got shorts on?
You see this pool? We can't even get
No
in it.
shorts.
I have sweats on.
This
I have
guy
shorts.
has shorts and he's barefooted.
I refuse to accept winter. F you, winter.
I accepted it. It's too damn cold not to.
Yeah, it's cold.
Delish. All right, so you know the drill. Drink these, come back in 20 minutes, do blowy.
I got bourbon on my
Krista's
boob.
not going to blow very much because she keeps spilling it. And yeah, there's that. So,
Okay.
cheers.
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 Welcome back.
Hello there.
Hello.
All right, fantastic drink. Roy,
Yummy.
you have some suggestions as far as what to do with this drink as far as improvement.
Well,
Improve it.
actually, we're gonna try this with Apple Jack. That's what we're going for. Apple Jack. You can use Crown Apple, Jim Beam Apple, Apple Moonshine. You know, Apple. We're gonna try it with Apple.
Blow. Blow, blow. Blow, blow, blow. Oh, shit, I hit myself in the head.
I'm a .10,
Oh, you had some serious pregame there, dude.
Holy shit.
right? You just hit yourself in the head with an ice cube.
I forgot to do that. Okay, someone needs to start mixing.
You want to do
There's
it,
another
Amanda?
bartender
Do
besides
it,
me
Amanda.
here.
Yeah,
2
let's-
ounces
we're
of cider. Here you go. You can do it. Here you go.
Let's get our stuff consolidated here.
Turn it to the silers too.
It was quite delicious, I have to admit, though.
Thank you. Serve this with some turkey and dressing.
Oh, I'm a 1.1.
Well, if you like dressing.
Wow.
How'd you get there?
I had some pregame.
Ooh, that Degenerate Dojo, man, it'll get you every time.
More. You didn't pour 2 ounces of that.
Yes, she did.
Close enough.
We
Right.
did
We're tag teaming this
1 ounce
shit.
of that.
I got it.
Okay. Oh, my ginger ale.
Everybody's doing apple, right?
good.
Yes.
So we noticed that the apple cider in the Jack Winter
Winter Jack.
it was pleasant, so we thought we would maybe accentuate that apple with the Jack apple. If you have Crown Apple, great, you know, or whatever apple. Evan Williams makes an apple as well,
We
right?
do.
Yeah.
And there's apple moonshine.
Ooh,
Okay, honey, I think I screwed up with your drink, so you might be
Did you put anything in
a
there?
little
Yeah.
more.
a little extra.
We're good.
Yeah, you might have a little extra.
It's always me towing the line with the extra.
I'm sorry.
We'll see who's into the goldfish when we're done here, or maybe
Nuggets.
beaver nuggets. Somebody brought us beaver nuggets
Nuggets.
from Bucky's.
Or Pringles, or Goldfish, or Happy, just something happy.
Yum yum.
Carb.
Or pizza.
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 Or
Pizza.
barbecue.
You got pizza?
I can.
Pizza.
Ever heard of Uber Eats?
Hey, there's Marco's Pizza, which
Because
is
we're
bad.
definitely not driving there.
No.
We're Uber there.
Now
We
we're
got
into
one.
that.
Yeah.
If you feel like it.
Just-
So press the button down and hold it till
Yeah, you can wipe
it
it off
turns
if
to
you
the
need to.
countdown. Wait till the countdown expires to 0 and then start
And you can
blowing.
wipe it off of your shirt.
I wiped it too.
Because we got cooties.
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 Oh, I broke
You
it.
broke it.
He broke the blowy.
Oh my God.
Now I got to count down again.
Actually, you're
Which
supposed to
one's
be blowing.
Which
Yeah.
one? This one's mine.
Oh,
Just wait till it's finished and then. No, don't drink until you blow, unless you're not blowing.
I'll do it. 0.07. You didn't
How'd
even
you get to a .07? All you did was
it
look
was
at
a
it.
shirt.
my shirt. Okay, if my shirt's a 0.7, I hate to see what this is going to end up being. Oh, by the way, do y'all see this shirt? Degenerate Dojo. YouTube coming up. Make sure to check it out.
Klekowski.
Keep blowing. Keep blowing. 10 seconds is a long time. You gotta keep blowing. I know, right?
You would fail at the breathalyzer test.
All right, you're
It
done.
beeped.
It's beeping.
Amanda's 1.0.
So you're a
You're
.10.
legally
I'm a
intoxicated.
.10.
Uh-oh.
Chris is a
Did you know that?
.11.
I had 2 drinks. Because I had a pregame and a regular.
Yep.
Oh, man.
That's what. But you see how easy it is to go
Wait till it gets to 0 and start blowing. Till it
above the
beeps.
legal limit. I mean, it's really easy.
My
I feel
lung
it.
capacity.
I feel like I'm above the legal limit, so
Needs
it's
to
okay.
come
Do you
out.
really?
What were you?
.10. Above the, I'm .20 above the legal limit.
I am
driving
too.
wise.
Maybe I should have breathed in a lot.
Right?
1.3.
Holy crap!
Holy
Roy.
crap!
How are you more than me?
I had the extra
You're
shot.
more than him.
Oh, yeah, you had a shot?
Yeah, I had the
but he-
shot.
Oh my gosh.
There might be a shot in a Degenerate Dojo video.
Yeah, it's the pregame.
Tune
Okay,
into
so
Klekowski for that.
Yeah, we're
Wow.
all above the limit. We're all partially, if not fully intoxicated. And we're going to drink too. Celebrate the day, folks.
Welcome back.
Hello.
Hey.
Feedback.
I really like the Jack Apple.
Yeah.
As far as a cold drink
Yeah.
in wintertime, that is a
Yeah.
really, really nice drink.
You can warm the cider up if you want to. It says you can serve
Yeah.
it warm, but we didn't. So
Yeah, I
just drank it over ice.
I thought it was great.
Yeah.
So, thanks, bro.
no problem.
That was awesome drink. Thank you.
Let's
Excellent.
go down to the
drink
math.
choice.
Boom.
Math.
Oh, I already blew
did-
like during the live. I was 1.2. I went down a little bit, but I think it's because I ate all these
Beaver biscuits.
beaver biscuits or whatever. And I
Beaver nuggets.
and the
from
sumo suit.
Buc-ee's.
The sumo suit sucked it up.
It's a beaver biscuit.
And it's raining on us right now.
It's not raining.
So we're really cold.
It's not raining.
I
Now
got
we're
a
getting
fi-
wet.
I got a fire.
Kinda. Oh yeah, clean back up.
Yeah, see? I'm like
.13. Wow. That's a
I'm
good
like
number.
Pocahontas. I can build that shit. After he puts lots of
0.13.
gasoline on it. Oh man, the wind.
Yeah, the wind's bad.
It's a little brisk here in Florida today.
Woo! I got a sweatshirt and sweats on. Here, you blow first. Oh shit.
Already
Oh
did.
shit. Okay.
Yeah,
I'm
Roy,
eating.
what do you have? 1.3?
1.2.
1.2. And I was a 1.3. There may have been pre-game involved.
A little bit.
Which is weird. Mine went down.
So I've had 3 drinks.
Yes.
1.2.
Nice.
You're lower than me.
High five. That's only happened
job.
twice.
Good job.
But you also got that beer after that.
It
too.
says danger on here.
Yeah, it says do not drive.
Oh.
Yeah.
That means danger means not so good to drive.
We kind of do our drinking at home for the most part anyway, so that's not a big deal.
Yeah,
Danger.
us and
danger.
Lyft and Uber are friends.
The only thing that's in danger here is Alexa being cranked.
Right? Which we can't do till the camera's off.
An
Because
interruption of Adventures Ahead live in a little bit.
Maybe.
Yeah.
That might be in our future.
That's only a couple hours away. Man, we got this.
1.3.
Woohoo!
Twins!
Twins?
Yeah, you and me, same number.
What were you?
1.2. Or
Sweet twins! Yay for us! Okay, so yeah, we're all bass backwards in this relationship at the moment.
Good day. Good day.
that's okay.
Great
Thank you
day.
guys for coming over. Thanks for hanging out.
Thanks
man.
for
having
You
us.
know, if you haven't checked out Show Special Features, check them out. Awesome couple. We love having them as friends, and very thankful to have them in our
Wind.
lives. You guys aren't even in shorts. I'm in shorts over
And
here.
barefooted.
Oh shit!
So, check out the ship show on Klekowski's this Wednesday, maybe, or the
Gonna be
Wednesday after,
hilarious.
if I can get the Degenerate Dojo episode.
You said it.
edited, and we had great fun today. We totally had a good time. So
Yes.
yeah,
Definitely.
thanks
Yes.
guys.
Lots of fun. Always
Okay.
fun when you come here.
Oh, thank you.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Celebrate the day.
Celebrate the day.
Woo.
Thanks for watching. Much love to our friends. Be the good in the world. Spread the love and go on an adventure. Please like, comment, and subscribe.